Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I got here. I have these. These are some cycling gloves and running gloves for the winter. So let's check this out. This is by GINTRON. And let's see, there's something else in here. Oh, it's a little silica gel. And here we go. They come wrapped in some little paper. Try to keep it somewhat nice. Look at these. These are nice. They're kind of neoprene kind of feeling. I got medium. We'll see if medium fits these hands. And actually it does. These feel nice. And it's good. They got a nice feel to them here. And I don't know if this is going to work with touching a screen or anything, but this is what they look like here. You can see it's got a kind of a grid pattern with a little bit of grip on there. So if I'm riding my bike, I can hold on to it. And if I'm running, just nice and warm. It actually feels warm already. Let's try on the other one here, and then I'll kind of go through any features that it might have. Let's see what we got here. So let's see. So we've got a good little cuff here. So it kind of, when I have my long sleeves on, it'll grip around that. And it looks nice. It says the little logo on it. It's got a good feel to it. I can grip my hands, are nice and tight. So they're thin enough to do that, but thick enough to hopefully keep me warm in the winter. And I think it's a neoprene stuff, so it's probably not going to breathe. Well, it looks like it does breathe a little bit, so it's going to have a little bit of breathe to it, but it should be somewhat waterproof as well. So kind of cool. So I like these. These are GINTRON, and they are cycling / running gloves, whatever you want to use them for. I will use them for both probably. So thumbs up for me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.